Hi there guys, and welcome back to the Cryptoverse with me, your host Chris Coney. If you're following me on Twitter, then you will have seen me post this message yesterday. My Twitter handle is ChrisConeyINT, which stands for Chris Coney International. And in this chart, it plots the price of BTC USD on BitMEX, and it shows the price going exponential. Now this is not sustainable. Even FOMO energy becomes exhausted at some point. Plus, I did just put out that why the Japanese love Bitcoin video, talking about the natural rhythm of markets and how we have to have this natural expansion and contraction process for growth to be sustainable. And the same principle applies here. So basically, this strong move up is like an increasingly large breath in, meaning I'm planning for a similar sized breath out. And since I want to end up with as many of those 21 million Bitcoin as possible, placing a short trade ends up getting me some extra Bitcoin for free. Now, the main thing I need here is a good entry point. And in this case, I've took all my indicators off because this is a pure price action play. The best entry that I can see is when the price breaks this exponential curve line. I've actually put a little red arrow if you're watching this on the video. Like whenever we break this exponential curve, that's when I'm going to look for a good entry point on a lower time frame. Because this is on the daily chart, right? And I do the old triple screen. So I'll look for an entry on a lower time frame when we get to that point. Then I'll probably ride it down to like 5k or something. Now, the exact point when I close the trade and take profits will of course depend on what the chart tells me as new candles appear. But I'm saying 5k because that's the plan based on current data, which is revised basically every hour as new data comes in. Now, I don't know if the same thing applies in other countries, but in the UK, we can use platforms like ETX Capital to trade Bitcoin in such a way that the profits are 100% tax-free. That's such an exciting opportunity that I've actually signed up to their referral program, and I've placed my referral link in the notes for this episode. So you can open up a free demo account with like £10,000 of play money, so everyone can do that just for fun. Bear in mind though, as per the message down the bottom here, which is required by UK regulation, it says that they have to declare 78% of retail investors or clients lose money with this provider. And that's largely because those people don't know what they're doing when it comes to trading. So check out my online course, The Master Cryptocurrency Trader. That'll help to make sure you're in the top 22% of winners and not the bottom 78% of losers. So that's all I've got for you today, really. So please like the episode if you liked it. Hit the old subscribe button. Just want to acknowledge all of my patrons publicly, which you can become one of them by going to thecryptoverse.show, clicking on the blue support the show button. If you become a supporter, you get rid of the ads on the podcast and on the video, you get cryptocurrency rewards every day, and you get access to the private chat group where I post things like my trading intentions. But there we jolly well go. I'll be back with the next episode of the Cryptoverse, so leave me a comment down below or on Twitter at Chris Coney International. But until then, it's me, Chris Coney, saying bye for now.